Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers in Junction City, Oregon today to show you a great trailer. Now, this is a Rockwood from Forest River, and I've been selling Rockwoods since I started here in 1992. They're great trailers. They've been great every year. They get a little better year by year. They've just always been reliable, and my customers are always happy with these things. This one happens to be a 1640 LTD. This is the lightest and least expensive of the tent trailers that we offer here at Guaranty. And I really love this thing because if you have a little smaller tow vehicle, a light truck, some of the cars, they can pull this vehicle when they couldn't pull anything else on the lot. So it holds a special place in towing and camping. So first of all, let's take a look at the inside of this trailer. You can see it's not a real big thing, and that results in a low weight, 1,400 pounds. But one of the big upgrades this year on these is that they've gone to a one-piece door. The Limiteds used to have this split door that you had to connect and fool around with, but this is really nice. It's a lot more solid and stable than the old door. Okay, so with this one, even though it's very small, it'll still easily sleep 6 people. You've got a bed down here, a little bigger bed in the front, and then you have a dining booth that'll make into a bed too. So if you need to, you can sleep 6 people, or some buddies that are hunting, you can put 3 of them in here. Nobody has to sleep together. And so this is a nice design. It's not quite as fancy as some of the other Rockwoods, and that reduces the price a lot. But it's still the same quality. It has the same warranty on the lift mechanism of lifetime, and it's got a vinylized canvas, which I'll show you shortly. But inside, it's just a great little camper. It's not too fancy, and it's not complex in any way. Okay, let's go outside. So one of the things that's great about a Rockwood is the canvas. This is an all vinylized canvas, so if you're putting it away after a camping trip, if it's wet, all you got to do is leave it up a little bit and it'll dry out really quickly because it's vinylized. Water evaporates off it. It's also really easy to clean. You can hit it with a little simple green and scrub it if you need to get any dirt or debris or moss or whatever you want to get off it from the camping trip. It's easy, and then like I said, it dries right away, so you can close it up and you don't have to worry about trapping moisture inside your rig. Now, the other thing that's really nice about this is that this canvas here is built into the bunk end. So when I pull this out, the canvas stays right where it's supposed to. It doesn't have to be attached because it's already attached. Nobody can slide out of this because it's if you have little kids, they always want to roll to the end of the bed. This one here, they're going to get stopped by this. It's also got a Velcro seal down along the bottom. It's very solid. So that Velcro seal will keep the bugs out. You can kind of see what I'm talking about here. This wraps up under there. Now, you can see over here in the front that we've actually got 2 propane bottles in here. And so typically a small trailer like this might only have 1 5-gallon bottle, but 2 bottles is great. And if you buy it from us, we provide you with the battery and all the essentials for your campground, complete training on how to use it, all of that. That's included, and so the propane's there, everything will be there for you. Also, it's got a lift winch, so when I want to put the top up and down, I just hit a button and up she goes, and I hit it again and down she goes. It's very simple to use. So this is the lightest, the least expensive, the most versatile Rockwood from Forest River. It's a 1640 Limited. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at it, and give me a call if you're interested or you want to know any more. I'm Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.